Hi everyone, this is Nat Scraps and I'm Natalie Peconic. I am a maker with close to my heart, and today we are working with the Backyard Bliss scrapbook layout kit, and this is project 1. Today we have the first layout out of 9 layouts I created from the Backyard Bliss collection. My process basically is I start off with the kit, pull it all out, and then start creating. What's on the screen there is the picture of the layout as made by the kit instructions. Now I don't follow the kit instructions, I just use that as a little bit of a guide and start to run with that. This layout is very close to the one that was on screen and the kit instructions, but I have changed it up a little bit. I've moved that heart into the middle, or very close to the middle, and I'm now going to mount that whole heart up in the middle, or just off center for middle, with foam tape. So it did take an awful lot of foam tape, and I've cut that out because I don't think you wanted to watch me put foam tape on for like 15 minutes. I made sure I got all little bits in around those little hearts, and that they were there was no saggy bits on the heart. I'm now just cutting through that to separate the two pages. I have not used the dotty paper that they have in their instructions. I really love that dotty paper, and I'm a bit of a hoarder sometimes, and I've left that for later. And I'm mounting up the photos on pine cardstock. The little hearts go in behind, and you see me punching them out right at the very start of the video. So that extra sheet, and it is on the walkthrough of the kit, if you wanted to go pop back and look at that video, you see the whole sheet has lots of little hearts on it, and there's heaps there for later on, and you see that little box absolutely teeming with hearts. I have actually created a video with all 9 layouts that I created with this kit, and you can go back and have a little look at that and see where this kit takes me. But I also will have a video for each one of the layouts that I did, and that's a process video where I show how I ended up with the finished product. I'm now just doing a little bit of doodling around that heart, so I like hand drawing and doing a little bit of doodling on my layouts, and here I'm just putting a bit of stitching around that edge. And I'm going to start doing some decorations. So popping a tag, so that's one of the die cut elements that come out of the die cut sheet. And this collection has so many different little elements in, and again, that video where I walk through the kit is priceless for seeing exactly what comes with it. Now I always purchase Picture My Life cards when I get the scrapbooking kit, because it helps extend it. So this is the second one that I videoed in the kit process. The first one was my Eat, Pray, Love collection, and using the Picture My Life cards means I get so many extra layouts out of them, and it really helps bringing up titles and just little bits and pieces of extras as well. I'm just making a little vinaigrette, is that the word? I'm not sure if it is, up in that corner, and I do end up moving that and putting it on the other side. If you have seen some of my other videos, you'll notice I do kind of put things down, pick them up, move them, and that's all part of the process for me. Is that I don't always just go, yep, that's exactly where it needs to go. I want to move things around, I want to see where they look, and then come back to them, add, take things away. I must really like that little tag at the bottom there, because I stuck it down straight away, so that means I'm pretty much dead set that's going to stay there. The 3 little circles there are stickers from the sticker sheet, and I moved them several times. They do end up staying on the layout, but not where they are at the moment. Coming back in with that little box of tricks. Now that little box of tricks by the end of the 9th layout is full of little bits of scraps and flowers and things that I've cut from this, that and everywhere. But I do use, I think, nearly all the hearts over the 9 layouts. The die cut sheet, this is like a wood veneer die cut, and they are so nice. They're not floppy at all, they're really quite thick, and they have a really nice texture and feel to them, and they look fantastic on the page. I'm bringing in some stickers from that sticker sheet again, and I'm having a look up in that top right corner and realize it's just a little bit too big. So I'm going to move that grouping from the left and pop it over in the right. And this is where I regret foam taping right to the edge of my photo mats. And then I'm going to pop this. Now this gets chomped up and moved and changed around, so it just wouldn't fit quite and kept leaving a gap, so I kept taking little pieces off it and moving it until I was really happy. Don't be afraid to cut up your stickers. Don't think because they come in that shape or style that they have to stay that way. You can cut them up and use, you know, a part of it here and a part of it there. The worst thing that can happen is that you completely bugger it, but there's always more sheets of stickers. So here I'm just coming in and I'm trying to move it so that when I put that flower there, it covers that corner where the photo mat and the heart connect. The photos actually used today, I didn't mention at the start, is from Easter this year and our Easter Sunday brunch, and these papers really reminded me of Easter. Another little saying that's going down there, harvest love. There we go. And this is where I'm just going through those picture my life cards, and I'm having a look what I might be able to use. Now I really like those little tags, and I think I left a little like journaling strip underneath each one of those photos, so I'm going to pull that out, and I do end up using that. And having a look at that basket of flowers, think that might be nice down the bottom. Not sure why I didn't use that one, but it doesn't, spoiler alert, doesn't end up on the layout. Off camera I have trimmed up those little tags and I'm popping them now down on the thing. So where the little circle was on the tag, where the little picture was, I've popped over those stickers and a little heart embellishment to go with each one. I used the digital kit to do a few flowers, and look, I completely forgot that I'd done that. Down below the heart on the right hand page, I'm trying to think how to describe where it is, pretty much right underneath where my hands are right this minute, there does end up a little collection of flowers down there, but you really don't even see it much in the end. So once those tags are on and a couple of little heart embellishments, that's this layout pretty much done. Now this was a quick one compared to some. If you like this video and want to know when the next one is up, please consider liking and subscribing to the video and you'll get a notification. In a couple of seconds you will see a sneak peek of the layout for layout 2, and you can also go back and see all those layouts in the other video linked in the description below, along with my store and my Facebook groups. Thank you guys for spending this time with me. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.